All right, so I've ingested some tables via TableMonkey into the data model, and I'm now getting ready to set up my data model so that I can store things in the right place and relate things together the way I want. One of the things that I may want to do is have a dedicated measures table. Depending on who you are, that might be the way that you like to model. You may not, that's totally okay. But if you do like measures tables, here's a cool thing. There's a variety of tricks to create them, but they all take time. But nothing goes really as fast as this. Query monkeys, measure table monkey. We give you a default name of underscore measures. If you'd prefer to change that, you can, but at this point, underscore measures works. Measures without the underscore is a reserved word and doesn't. That's why we put the underscore there. If I just hit OK at this point, Power Query will now go and create a measures table. There's only one problem with this. I wish I had an API to take care of this for you, but unfortunately Microsoft doesn't give us one. I need you to hide a column on that table. And that's what this message is actually telling you is go into Power Pivot, find the measures table, and hide the measures column from Client Tools. When we say OK, go into Manage Data Model right here on the Monkey Tools ribbon. I always like to just go into Diagram View, right-click on the Measures table, and choose Hide from Client Tools. And at that point, this measure table is now set up properly so that any measures you store there and use on a pivot table will not go and pop that little error message that you sometimes get in Power Pivot that says, hey, we need a relationship between these tables. This is the secret to taking care of that right off the bat. While I'm here, I seem to have a data model that's partially created here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and say, let's go from fact table to dimension. We're going to link our categories here. And here's another one, category as well. Beautiful. So I've now got a data model that is starting to take shape for what I'm actually looking for. And I can now build it out with even more cool things. So that's how we can create a really quick measures table inside your Power Pivot model via Power Query by using Monkey Tools. Thanks for watching this episode of Using Monkey Tools. To get your own monkey, visit our website at monkeytools.ca. Or if you subscribe to Skillwave's Self-Service Business Intelligence Academy, you'll get a free annual pro license included with your subscription. And remember, Monkey Tools was developed to support better Excel and Power BI solutions. If you want to learn how to really master these tools, you should definitely check out our full course catalog at skillwave.training.